exploring the cryptographic hearty deliciousness of O1 Labs and Mina Protocol, kimchi, pickles, pasta, and more. If you're anything like me, you're probably wondering what's cooking in Mina's kitchen? Well, we've got kimchi, pickles, pasta, O1JS, and Protokit. But what exactly are these cryptographic ingredients, and how do they power the Mina Protocol? Let's dig in and find out. Mina is the world's lightest zk blockchain, always staying at 22 kilobytes thanks to zk-SNARKs. That means anyone can run a node, and privacy is built by design. It enables everything from KYC verification to on-chain gaming. But the magic behind Mina's efficiency? That's where kimchi, pickles, O1JS, and Protokit come in. Kimchi, the spicy modular zk proof system. Kimchi is Mina's modular zk-SNARK system, inspired by Plonk, designed for efficiency and flexibility. Just like well-fermented kimchi builds layers of flavor over time, Kimchi optimizes proof generation and verification through advanced polynomial commitment schemes. It works alongside Pickles, the crunchy recursive proofs, which enables inductive zk-SNARK composition. Pickles uses a pair of amicable elliptic curves called pastavesta, tick, and palace, tock, to efficiently construct recursive proofs. This allows Mina to stack and verify complex computations incrementally, making the blockchain scalable while keeping proofs lightweight. O1JS, the secret sauce that holds it together. O1JS is a TypeScript library that lets you build zkApps without needing deep cryptography knowledge. Think of it like family recipe, easy enough to make every day, but so good that you always come back for more. You just need to know JavaScript, and you're good to go. Protokit, the fermentation station for privacy chains. Protokit is like the creative hub for zkApps. Just like fermentation turns fresh ingredients into a rich, umami-packed delight, Protokit empowers zkApps with privacy and scalability by design. It lets developers build privacy-focused application chains using zk proofs with minimal learning curve, leveraging security of Mina. With Protokit, you get a supercharged development experience. Built on O1JS, Mina Zero-Knowledge DSL, it's modular and lets you combine runtime, protocol, and sequencer modules to create a custom app chain. Protokit's succinct zkVM runs on recursive zk circuits, generating unique block proofs that are easy to verify and efficient to produce. And it's interoperable with other app chains, L2S, and rollups to maintain liquidity across the ecosystem. Demo time! In this demo, we're going to set up a Mina Developer Environment, build a simple zkApp using zkApp CLI, and get it running on your local machine. zkApp CLI helps you build and deploy zkApps directly on Mina from the terminal, making working with zk-SNARKs and building privacy-focused applications on the Mina blockchain easy. Let's go! First, let's add the Auro Wallet extension to your browser, for Chrome, to interact with zk-SNARK applications. Second, let's check the versions of Node.js and npm to see if we are ready to build. Now, let's install the zkApp CLI to help us bootstrap the project. Create zkApp project. Next, we'll create a new zkApp project. We'll also choose to create a UI for it and deploy to Git. You can opt out from UI to make things easier. Choose none. The command will install the necessary dependencies for your project. We're also installing a UI and setting up the environment for Git. Once the project is set up, navigate into the project folder and start the development server. npm run dev. Our local development server should now be up and running at http://localhost 3000. Open a browser, your zkApp is live. Auro Wallet is seamlessly integrated and will allow you to interact with the zk sync network and sign transactions. That's it! You've successfully set up a Mina zkApp developer environment and run your first zkApp locally. You can now start building and testing your zkApps. So, what's cooking in the Mina ecosystem? With Kimchi, Pickles, O1JS, and Protokit, zkApp CLI, we've got a powerful toolkit for zk proof-based building. Try setting up your own zkApp and let me know what you think. Subscribe for more zk fun!